Hi, this is Jim at the sewing machine store, and we're going to show you our new cylinder bed tape feed sewing machine. We're going to give you a few hints on installation. Now over here is our standard cylinder bed table. When you get the machine, we're going to send you a YouTube link. Go ahead and assemble just like the YouTube link. The only difference is do not pay any attention to the holes, because what you're going to do is you're going to drill new holes to support the new machine. So do not pay attention to the holes, because this tabletop is designed to fit a lot of different cylinder bed sewing machines. So again, pay no attention. So when you open up your sewing machine, you're going to get a rubber gasket like that. So put your rubber gasket down like that. I already pre-drilled the holes. Then from here, you're going to go ahead and put your sewing machine on the rubber gasket. So before you actually do any drilling, line everything up the way that you want it lined up. Line the motor up. That's what I would highly recommend. So right now I'm just going to put the belt on, and I'm going to line up everything. So once the belt is on, Mr. Cameraman, come on the other side here. Once the belt is lined up, this is what it should look like. About this amount of tension is perfect. Don't want any more than that. Also, if you notice how I got the belt right in the center there, this is perfect because you don't want the belt to be rubbing. Also, when you put the motor in, you can bring the motor forward and backwards from underneath the machine, but you want it centered to look just like that. So get the belt nice and centered. Then, after everything looks good, mark it, drill your 4 holes, and bolt it down with the 4 bolts that come with the machine. After that, we're going to show you a few other things. Mr. Cameraman, let me show you the hook part here. Now, you will drill, if you want to use the second foot here, you will have to drill another hole right here. So you drill a hole here like this, and you'll drop the chain down. You'll get a hook that looks like this, and it'll hook just like that. So come on around on the other side there. And then from here down on the bottom, it'll hook and just like this. So when I press down on this, this will make the pressure bar lift go up and down just like that. Another thing that I want to note to show you is underneath here, this is what your motor will look like. This is the on and off button. This controls your speed, how fast you want it. Now this is an important thing right here. This controls the tension on your motor to bring it up and down. So if you want to get the motor belt a little bit tighter, it's all done with these 2 nuts and bolts. So that's pretty much the major part of the installation on this machine. When you get the machine, I noticed that you'll have these 2 nuts in your attachment. What they do is they screw in like this here. And when you get them, I'm going to try to open these up and check each one and put these in the machine, or leave them like that. But you'll have 2 nuts. You'll screw the nuts down just like this. And they probably do this for a shipping purpose so they don't get bent or anything. But what this does is it controls how much pressure is on your fabric there. So you turn the nuts like that about halfway down to start with, because all that does is control the pressure. Next thing you have here is your binder attachment. And your binder will screw right in there with these 2 screws right here. I'm going to do a second video to show you that in a moment. Another nice thing you'll see here, you'll get 2 pieces like this. This is for your binder tape feed. When you get it, you'll put them together like that. You'll put it underneath the table like that. You'll tighten it up. You also can set it up to where if you want it to go a little bit higher, you can. You can adjust the screws where you can level this the height that you want. But if you're doing tape binder feed, put your binder tape on here, you line it in here, you put your binder feed attachment, and I'll show a video how that operates in a moment. Another thing I want to press on is second feet wise. You never can control what type of feet come with the machine. Either the company will send this foot, or sometimes they send a black foot. They all do the same thing. All they do is control the pressure foot lift. So I just wanted to make a little note that. So the main thing is you'll get a second foot, never know what they look like, but do not pay attention to any of the pre-drilled holes on this assembly. You will drill your own holes and then make the belt just look have a little tension like that. And that's it.